Oh, back like I never left. What's up, buds? Welcome to Wanna Buy It Now. These finally came in the mail for me. We have the Apple Airpods Generation 3s right here. We're gonna do a quick little unboxing and test these out. I will have a real review for these later on. I'll probably use them for probably 2 weeks, a week or so, and then get back to you guys of what I think. Now, I skipped the second generation, so I'm going from generation 1 to these. But there's been a lot of budget earbuds. There's been a lot of, top competitors out there, like JBL and Bose that dropped earbuds, and it's been a while. It's been a while. So what we get, of course, you get your little manual. I'm guessing there's stickers in here. Oh, they don't do stickers no more? What? No stickers. What? Must have been out the game that long. All right, so then you got your case right here, and we'll pull the top. Okay, pull that top off. Boom, and you got your wire, and it is USB Type C. Wait, hold up. Yep, USB Type C right here to charge up your AirPods after you take the plastic off of it, of course. Bada bing. What is going on here? What is this trickery? It's not USB Type C. The other side was USB Type C that goes into something else. There you go. Boom. Dang, what the heck? So where am I supposed to plug this up at? You guys tell me in the comments below, buds. I only can charge this on my MacBook or something. It didn't come with nothing else. So that's weird. This cord is useless to me then, because I have nothing for this. But I do have another one of these. We all got these somewhere. So let's take a first look. I do want to say that the case feels really small. It's really small case. I'm really surprised. I'm gonna give you guys a little close up of the case. It's really small, like in your pocket, no problem. You're gonna have no problem. These things are so cool. Like, look at this little thing, man. All right, open these bad boys up. You guys see it first before I get to see it. Boom, yan. There you go, right there. Look at that. And pull these out. Nice little weight to them. That's the first thing I noticed right when I took these out. I could feel that right there. There's a nice little weight going on with these. Nice little design. Now we're gonna put this in the ear. Check it out. They don't even feel like they're in your ear. I'm loving it right now. I'm loving this case, how small it is. And this is what it looks like on ear. A little twist, a little turn. You guys can see a little straight on look. Can't really see them right there, straight on. Normally, you get like a big old bulge from these other ones that we've been testing on here. They're a little bit more low key than the first ones. Man, they're so light in my ear. Like, I don't even feel these things. It's so crazy. Apple always kills it with that weight and the design of it. Apparently it's supposed to have like this flesh touch technology so it knows when it's in your ear and whatnot. But let's get this bad boy connected. How do I do this, man? Connect. Let's see, I'm gonna just do it the old school way because it's not showing up for me. AirPods, boom. Pressed it, we're in there. I haven't heard that sound in a while because my AirPod 1s died a long time ago. Let's do a little sound test. I'm gonna listen to it. I'll let you guys know how I'm feeling it. All right, we are connected. We got the AirPods, so I'm about to press play, and here we go. I wonder if you guys can see this. They don't feel like they're going anywhere either. Make a little move on you. Make a little move. They not moving, baby. I'm only moving, So I'm checking out the functions right now. So press 1, of course, to play. There's a little bar on here, on the touch function right here. As you guys can see, that little crease right there. So that is where you're gonna do all your little tapping at. It's like a little makeshift little button. It feels like one. I don't know if it really is one actually, but it gives you that feel that it is. If it is, it is. If it's not, it feels like it is, that's for sure. So, and it's very responsive, with the click, you press play. And of course it starts up when it goes back in your ear, like, typical AirPod style. So I'm gonna see how good these things are. So once, paused, yep. Double tap, skipped forward, no problem. And it's very responsive. I don't like the little squeezing thing. I just like tapping the ear. That was so much better, easier than having to squeeze and press the button. Let me see if I can just, even if the tap was here, I wouldn't like that. I liked it on the ear. So I gotta get used to this, but I don't like it. But anyway, I'm one of those out of the ear people anyway, so it doesn't matter, but still. So if you go into your Bluetooth settings and go to the AirPods itself, you can check out this little area that lets you see like the 3D dimensional audio they have. You can click see how it works, and if you turn it on, it just feels like the sounds are going all around you, like you just hear them all around you. It's pretty neat, so you guys can check that out as well. Hopefully it supports, you know, on Spotify. I don't know which one it supports on, because I know that's a big thing. Like some things have that 3D audio and some don't, so I'm pretty sure it'll work on Apple Music. I need to start listening to Apple Music with these bad boys. So when it comes to the sound quality, notice it has nice bass. It's not the most bassy earbud that we had. We have a couple budget earbuds that we had on this channel that had a little bit more bass, but everything sounds clean. It works together. The vocals are sitting out really good. The highs, like the S's in people's words, or the hi-hats, they're not sharp, they're not hurting my ears, no harshness. Seems like everything's under control and it's working together as a team. Really pure sound. I like what's going on here. Especially the song I'm listening to, it's out of control in the highs when I listen to it on the speaker, but these earbuds really reined it in. So sounds good. I like what they got going on here. So I don't believe these are noise canceling. You're just gonna get whatever is blocked by putting the earbuds in your ear. So these are not noise canceling from what I know, so we won't do no noise canceling tests. I will be, you know, testing these at work on phone calls and stuff with, you know, the loudness around me, because my job is really loud at times, so I'll be able to call and see, and I'll let you guys know that in the review of breaking those down. So far I like what I'm hearing from these AirPods, the 3rd generation. It's very familiar, what we know already. I wish they would have had noise canceling there, you know, give me the option to turn them off, but I like what I got right here, and I like the feel. This whole time I had them in here, I don't feel bugged by them. Like, I'm ready to take them off. I could actually just walk around with these in here, wouldn't be no problem. So, you know, 2 thumbs up with the AirPods. I'm liking what I have right here, so we'll test it out. I'll give you guys a review in like a week and let you guys know if I really like it. Some of the flaws. One thing I already don't like is the button, though. I already told you guys I don't like this. I wish I could just tap it. If you guys like Rodney, but you know, the price range is $180, basically $200 after taxes and all that. Is there some cheaper earbuds that you would recommend? Click one of these 2 videos right here and check out those. I really like these 2 earbuds right here, so you guys can check that out. And if you guys like this video, please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe. To all my subscribers now, thank you so much for subscribing. I really do appreciate it. I'll see all you guys in my next video. Everyone be safe out there. My name is Rodney. This is Wanna Buy It. Peace.